All right, ready for this? Hey, welcome to MyGrowthRings.com, where we have just surpassed, or recently surpassed, 14,999 subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. It's really been a pleasure sharing time with you, and I want to thank you for that. And I want to do something special this year. I want to encourage you to join the rest of us over at MyGrowthRings.com. There's a chat feature there that's missing your voice. Maybe you're there. I have a deal for you too. So here's my plan. Normally I do some kind of a drawing and a giveaway. I'm going to do that very thing. I'm going to give away 15 levels up in your membership. So if you go over there and sign up for a free membership, which you ought to should, you're going to move up for 1 year to the next level, and you'll have access to the things afforded that person. If you're already supporting the channel at some level, thank you very much. You're going to move up a level. 15 people to celebrate the 14,999 subscribers will level up. In addition, I'm going to give away some of my favorite things, kind of like Oprah does, just what I like to do. We will make that announcement of who wins what on the 18th. I'm doing that because that's convenient for me. I hope it works for you. So be sure to check that out. I'll announce the winners both here and over on the website. So in the meantime, again, jump over to mygrowthrings.com and make it a great day.